In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Form GUID in HubSpot quickly and easily. If you're working with integrations, embedding forms on an external site, connecting HubSpot to another platform, or troubleshooting with a developer, you'll often be asked for your Form GUID. And if you don't know where to look, it can be a little confusing. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. In the drop-down menu, click on Forms. This will take you to the Forms dashboard, where you can see a list of all the forms you've created in your HubSpot account. Now, find the specific form you want the GUID for. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of forms. Once you've located the correct form, click directly on the form name to open it. After the form editor loads, here's the key step. Go up to your browser's address bar and look at the URL. The Form GUID is not shown directly inside the editor interface. It's actually inside the URL itself. So carefully look at the full web address in your browser. You'll notice that the URL ends with a long string of letters and numbers separated by hyphens. That long string at the very end of the URL is your Form GUID. For example, your URL might look something like this: app.hubspot.com/forms, followed by your account number, then editor, and then a long string such as abcdef123-4567-908-9-abc-ef123-4567-890. In this example, the Form GUID would be that entire string at the end, abcdef123-4567-908-9-abc-ef123-4567-890. That's the value you would copy and provide to a developer or paste into another tool if required. Make sure you copy the entire string exactly as it appears, including all letters, numbers, and hyphens. Even missing a single character can cause errors when connecting integrations. A quick tip here, double-click the GUID portion in the address bar to highlight it, then right-click and copy, or use Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. It's that simple. Just to recap, go to Marketing, then Forms, click on the form you need, and copy the long string of characters at the end of the URL. That string is your Form GUID. This works for any form inside HubSpot, whether it's a regular form, a pop-up form, or an embedded form. If you're ever unsure, just remember, open the form and check the browser URL. That's always where you'll find it. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your Form GUID in HubSpot in less than a minute. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.